Welcome to the world of pet gadgets. As pet owners, we all want to give our furry friends the best life possible. That's why we've put together this list of the 5 best pet gadgets you can buy this year. These gadgets will help you keep your pets happy and healthy. So if you're looking for a way to upgrade your pet's lifestyle, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Number 3. ForCatCare Purring Electric Toothbrush. The ForCatCare Purring Electric Toothbrush is an amazing invention for cat owners. Through the use of its soft silicone head and purring sound technology, cats are able to feel relaxed and content while receiving their oral health care. Not only does this toothbrush clean the residue in the mouth, but it also helps to reduce gum inflammation and plaque buildup. The toothbrush is also 100% sterilizable and gentle on the gums, making it the perfect choice for cats and owners alike. The toothbrush also comes with great advice on how to use it, including how to start out slow, how to come closer to the mouth, and how long to brush for. By following these 3 steps, cat owners can improve their pet's mood and prevent oral diseases. With this toothbrush, brushing your cat's teeth is easier and more fun than ever. Number 2. PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PetSnowy Self-Cleaning Litter Box is an innovative solution to keeping your cat's litter box clean. It removes the root of unpleasant smell, adding a fresh and luscious aroma. The waste bag is always odorless and dry, making for the cleanest cat waste disposal experience ever. The curved walkway with mat was designed with intention to keep the litter in and the doorway clean. The SnowSafe Plus system continuously analyzes 4 zones of the litter box to ensure your kitty's safety. You can easily check kitty's usage, waste drawer fullness, and more with just a tap in the PetSnowy app. Assembling and disassembling the litter box is effortless, making it simple to clean when necessary. This amazing product is sure to make your cat happy and your life easier. Number 1. Waggery Dog Beds. The Waggery Dog Beds have been a lifesaver for us. The beds provide the perfect combination of durability, style, and comfort. Not only do they look great in our living room, but they are also extremely durable, made with ballistic nylon exterior. The beds have also been great for our older dogs, offering them the support and comfort they need. We highly recommend these beds for any pet parent looking for the perfect combination of function and style.